what is the unique Manuka factor? And it was something that started life in about 20 years ago from a discovery from Waikato University in New Zealand that there's a special antimicrobial factor in this Manuka honey. More than the pH, more than the sugar, more than the hydrogen peroxide that's normal to all honeys, there was something extra. And you can measure that by just growing bugs on an agar plate and spotting honey in the middle, and then you see that there's a little ring of inhibition. You see, oh, that honey is very antimicrobial. But in 2006, someone discovered in Germany the compound that was responsible for its antimicrobial effect, a compound effect called methoglyoxal. So that compound and the concentration of that compound correlated quite directly to the antimicrobial effect. So we went on a very extensive research journey to find this out, and we didn't have a lot of time because we wanted to know what this compound was very quickly and how much was in various honeys and whether that was actually in effect the reason for the healing stories that we heard. Comvita is a small company, couldn't really have 10 scientists there full-time with white coats beavering about. So we had to do like a virtual research network. We went to Auckland University, went to other, Otago, Massey University, some German universities that I had contacts with, also Australian universities, UTS Sydney, Sydney University, and Sunshine Coast up in Queensland, we sort of doing collaborations with. We wanted to know if we look at their fingerprint, their chemical profile, not only their UMF factor, and we matched that fingerprint to actual biological activity. We wanted to know any of these biological activities that we're seeing, are they related to the honey's composition? That's quite involved. And it actually resulted in one research paper being out published in 2009, one being just accepted yesterday, 2 being in submission, and 4 we have data for. So there's quite an extensive research around this honey. We found that some honeys from certain locations with certain chemical fingerprints are really effective in MMP inhibition and also in inhibiting inflammatory bursts of the immune system because they prevent this inflammatory burst. HuniXA is a selection of the best Manuka honeys that have been showing to have the best inhibition of MMP proteases and also are counteracting the excessive release of free radicals. This selection criteria has pointed to a very nice geographical area up in Northland where we procure this honey, and that's also resonating with From a Beautiful Place.